Hello everyone, this is the homework video for Im1, homework number 23. This is where you're working on reflection. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 figures that you need to reflect over the reflection line. The instruction says reflect shape A, B, C across mirror line A. So the mirror line is this one. We have the green mirror line A. Okay, and we have the second mirror line B, and that's what we are reflecting figure D, E, F over. Okay, so ABC is with the mirror line A, that's the green, and D, E, F is across the mirror line B, the yellow. Alright, so let's get started with A. There are two different methods, okay? We can use the petty paper. It is a little bit more cumbersome, but we can do that. How do we do that? Well, we start off by getting our petty paper, putting it over our image. Remember, we need to trace the image or the original shape and also the line of reflection. Like so. I am also going to draw a horizontal line to give some sort of reference, and that is the line across from the pointy tip of the triangle. Okay, now I am going to follow that along the line of reflection, like so. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so that means I am going to reflect it over, flip it over like so, and that's where the figure should be. So it doesn't quite match up because obviously my line is not always as accurate. Okay, so now I can place these points. Okay, so I can put a vertex where those points are. And then I can join them. So here is my vertex. Okay, so I was off by a little bit just with the tracing. Now that I am done, I can create lines. Okay, now I can join those vertices. To create my triangle. And again, after you have done that, you should check visually, does it look correct? Does my reflected image look as if they have the same shape and same size, just different orientation? It certainly does look that way. Okay. Now, yes, we can continue using the petty paper or the tracing paper, but we can also do so by counting. Since we're dealing with vertical or horizontal mirror line, that's pretty simple. So to figure out where is the corresponding point for this point right here, the original, you count how far it is away from the reflection line. And it is 3 units to the left, so that means it's going to be 3 units to the right. That corresponds to this point. This point here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the left, so it's going to be 6 units to the right. 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be right here. And then this point is 6 to the right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Okay, now I have found my vertices, so I can join them and draw my triangle. And again, you should be checking after you have drawn to make sure that it looks the same in size and same in shape. Okay, what about this? C. So see, the vertex is right here, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units away from this line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is right here. And yes, I can count each one of them, or what I can do is I can see what's happening here. It goes down. That means it's going to be 7 units away from the reflection line. And so I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be right here. Then from here it goes down by 2. And then it goes back up. So you can also find the relative position. Okay. Alright, so we've reflected the 3A, B, C over the green line. Now we need to reflect the D, E, F over the yellow line. Okay, so D is, this point right here is 2 units to the right, so it's going to be 2 units to the left, so it's going to be right here. Here, this point is 3 units to the right, so it's going to be 3 units to the left instead. And then this point here is 1, 2, 3 units. Okay, no, there, I forgot. I did not count this. 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right, so it's going to be 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here. So now I am going to join my vertices. Okay. And then what about this square? This point corresponds to 3 units away, so it's going to be 3 units to the left right here. And then this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. 5 units away is here, then goes down by 2 and goes back towards the reflection line. So that's my square right here. Then finally the last one, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the reflection line. So 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the reflection line. This point here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units away from the reflection line. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is right here. So we're going to join that point. And then it goes down. Oh, I could have counted again, or I could have seen the relative position as well. Okay, so then I'm going to color it in. Okay, here's my reflected image. So what do you think this image is of? I see a little bunny. Okay, so I see a little bunny here. So I am going to write a bunny or rabbit or whatever. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening.